Of course, I couldn't see big, and happiness they tied to happiness. Hey, they happy. If your dopamine no the pop, right? You know no feel they happy. So I know say part of waiting they make me more mad than right now. But say I don't get stuck at a particular point of growth for a long time now, in my opinion. Still they grow, but there was that initial surge, right? Where you probably guys iterate, change some shit up, get something new, right? See birdie. What thing this one do with the time? I'm not even needy now, no be even this equal by people out. Say waiting I need now not to upgrade my aesthetics. Because I don't get the core people who know who I be, who appreciate me, and more of them they come every day, right? More people who appreciate me for my essence. They come every day, and the ones who they already, obviously I appreciate you all, right? But the masses, the more now they don't need me. We do those like we just want waiting, you go toss them. We be say, guy, you know how perform sacrifice. Person carry the meat, carry man ibu efi. Ibu ebune. Ibu oko. Yota, fichama. Makana mbobi ibu na adom madado, efi na adom madado. So all those niggas, a lot of those niggas we pull up for where they do sacrifice, where you go think say na our failure or gone more. Those niggas came to steal chicken. Obviously, I just say I flew then the man if I'm more. So how the make the carry ritual away. Now only them know how they want to account for them, right? Because normally, you know the mad say eji oko we bioku, eji nneku bioku. Kiwa we bluze ya dioku dokwa se onwe nisi. Normally. So those people not in the masses. If those people need be say make I day fly. They need make I day in whips and planes and with socialites. Now waiting those group of people need, and I need them because actually feels now when you come to market, no be only ndị isi dị mma bụ ife nọ n'afịa. In fact, on ndị akalugoli bụ eju n'afịa. And I need those niggas, granted na akpụpụrụ mfa aja n'ezi sifa, guy, go there for road, the chop, no pull up for my house. I don't do them. You know, so, but I need them. Maka na afịa na azụ onye abụ na granted na time na akogoli is not actually time na akogoli na akogoli go chop you on for that place. Emegomia, nduru kefi na agwa m na mmụọ. Keka bele ebe a since okwanudo dị. We forzo I abeg now. We don't come now. We go no, we don't come. I abeg. So yes, I need those people. So I know say instead of this shit now I want to start to do now maybe to the drag people. It's not actually need now to upgrade my aesthetics. Now waiting I need for that next level. So make una bear with me. No be saying no get sense, no waiting I suppose do. Say no be saying no get sense, no say waiting I need now to upgrade my aesthetics. But I say this is not the only way they man. Bro, I don't even get, you know what I'm saying? Bear with me. Are you not about to be entertained?